Moving right along, here's problem number 2 from the 5-5 notes on page 323. So now we're going to graph using the intercepts. So up here we found the intercepts, now we're going to graph them, which I kind of already did in the first example. I kind of knocked out 2 stones with 1 bird, right? Is that, yeah, what? Okay, moving on. So here's what you do. You hide it and divide it. They give you 2 points. You play connect the dots. They do the long, huge, boring method. X equals -2, Y equals 1. Boom, they connect the dots. That kind of makes sense. Hide it. Look at that. X equals -2. Look at that. They hit -2. And then hide the X. -2Y equals a -2. Probably going to be a 1. And there's a 1. There you go. So you plot the 2 points. You play connect the dots. End of story. Okay, so here we go. What is the graph of 2x plus 5y equals 20, okay? So we got to graph this thing, okay? Here's how fast you can do it, okay? Hide the y. 2x equals 20. Oh, x equals 10, okay? Hide the x. 5y equals 20. Oh, y equals 4. There you go. Play connect the dots. Oh, hey, look at that. I finally hit 2 dots. Good for me, okay? Normally I need a straight edge to do that. That's it. Okay, I'm going to break that down. How in the world did I do that so fast? Hide and divide. Okay, so if I want to plug in 0 for y, because remember on the x-axis, that's where y equals 0. So if you plug in 0 for y, it disappears. So then what do you have left? You have 2x equals 20. So how would you solve 2x equals 20? You would divide by 2. X equals 10. Okay, and then I put a 10 right there. Okay. Now on the y-axis, x equals 0. So when you plug in a 0 for x, oops, get back up here. When you plug in a 0 for x, it goes away. And then when you have a 0 that makes that go away, all that's left over is a 5y equals 20. Divided by 5, weird. Y equals 4. There you go. Okay. Once you have those 2 intercepts, you have 2 points. And once you have 2 points, you can play connect the dots and make a story. That's how easy that problem is. Hide and divide, and then play connect the dots. Goodbye.